Hey there, Beautyistic family. Let's get right into something every damaged hair warrior needs to know about, the Redken Extreme Conditioner. This creamy formula is designed specifically to strengthen and protect hair that's been through a lot. Think breakage, dullness, and those fragile strands that just won't behave. Redken, as a brand, is well known for blending science-backed ingredients with salon-quality results. And this conditioner is no exception. It's packed with proteins aimed at repairing the hair from the inside out. Plus, it's gluten-free, which is a nice bonus for those sensitive scalps or skin. So, how does it actually perform? I incorporated it into my routine for a few weeks to test its promise of shine protection and breakage reduction. The texture is rich but not heavy. It spreads smoothly and rinses clean without any residue. After use, my hair definitely felt more fortified and had a noticeable bounce back, especially in areas where I usually experience split ends and breakage. It didn't weigh down my hair or leave it greasy, which is a common problem with some protein-rich conditioners. Using it consistently, I noticed my hair held onto its shine better and felt stronger overall. But if your hair is extremely brittle, this conditioner works best when paired with other treatments from the Extreme line for maximum effect. One thing to mention is that if you have fine hair, it might feel a bit much if used daily, so alternating with a lighter conditioner could be wise. I love that the formula focuses on internal strength without relying on heavy silicones or fillers. That's a big win for me because it feels more like genuine repair than just surface-level smoothing. On the flip side, the scent is typical salon style, pleasant but might not be for everyone. Also, the price point sits in the mid to high range, which makes it an investment rather than a budget buy. Is it worth it? For damaged hair needing serious care, yes. The protein infusion is targeted and effective, giving you more resilience and less breakage over time. Compared to some drugstore conditioners that promise similar results, Redken's Extreme Conditioner feels like it delivers more substantial rebuilding power, closer to what you'd expect from professional-grade products. Packaging-wise, the sturdy tube is travel-friendly and easy to squeeze out just the right amount, so no wastage there. As for longevity, I've been using mine for about a month now, and it's holding up well without drying out or separating. I haven't had to reach out to Redken's customer service, but their reputation in the industry is solid. They usually handle queries efficiently and have a good presence in salons worldwide. If you're budget conscious but want results like this, consider trying other protein conditioners that might be less pricey but still effective, like those from OGX or L'Oreal's Professional range. They won't exactly mirror the salon feel, but are good stepping stones. By the way, if you're finding this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so other beauty lovers can discover these honest reviews too. Your support means the world and helps keep this channel going strong. Wrapping up, the Redken Extreme Conditioner truly delivers on reinforcing damaged hair with its protein-rich formula and clean, nourishing ingredients. It's best suited for those with damaged or fragile hair looking for a professional-level conditioner to reduce breakage and restore shine. If you want salon-quality care at home and don't mind spending a bit more, this is a solid pick. If you've already given this one a try, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing from you. The link to grab this conditioner is in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.